waves, a quiet pool, a twist of fate. The water whispers soft unseen.